Hello everyone, today I am going to make you understand ocean currents around the world, and there are two types of ocean currents around the world. One is warm and the other is cold. For warm ocean current I am going to use the color coding of red, and for cold ocean current I am going to use the color coding of blue. Okay, now let's start. Starting with first, let me mark the warm ocean current. See, warm ocean currents are this Alaska. The first one is the Alaska warm current. See, starting with Alaska warm current, it is here. You can see Vancouver is over here. You can start from here and you straight away move to Aleutian Islands. Okay, again the second one is Gulf Stream. The Gulf Stream is over here. The next one is the Norwegian currents. See, if you see the Norwegian British island is over here, and after British, just usi ke baad, after that you can mark as a Norwegian current. Okay, you must have heard about Jolan Mountains. Okay, see, you must have heard about Oishio and Kuroshio. Oishio is the cold ocean current and Kuroshio is the warm ocean current. Kuroshio is over here. Okay, this one is the Kuroshio. The next is the East Australian. East Australian is also a warm ocean current. Okay, this is my old map. I used to mark over here only. I don't just put it on the wall. I use this map as my reference, means for marking purpose. So you can also do that. The next is the Angola. Angola current is over here, and just below Angola there is a Mozambique current. See, this is very important for Indian monsoon. Okay, Angola, Mozambique, over here Madagascar. You must have heard about El Nino and so. Okay, Peruvian current. Means you need to come across these words. These are very important. UPSC used to ask these questions. Okay, Mozambique current. This one is the Mozambique current. This one is the Angola. Okay, the next is Brazilian, just in front of Brasilia. Okay, here. See, first I am marking the warm ocean current, then after marking all of the warm ocean current, I will mark the cold ocean current. Okay, now I think the warm ocean currents are over. Now I am going to move on to cold ocean currents. Now the first cold ocean current is over here, California. Okay, hope you are getting. The next one is the Labrador. The third one is East Greenland over here. The next is the Canary current over here. Just Canary Island Spain में है ना, in front of that Canary, इसी के नाम पे रखा गया होगा, Canary current. The next one is the Benguela. See, over here is the Angola, which is warm. Okay, and the cold is the Benguela over here. Okay. The next one is the West Australian. See, here East Australian is the warm ocean current and West Australian is cold ocean current. Okay, hope you are getting. The next, which I said you previously, was Oishio. Okay, I think I have marked all of the cold ocean current. No, one more is left over here, Peruvian current. Okay, which is very important. Okay, Peruvian current. Okay, see, now I have marked all of the warm ocean current and cold ocean current. Now let me make you a bit more clear how actually this works. You must have heard that they move in a circular direction. That is, see, this one is the equatorial region, और जितने भी all of the warm current moves away from it and all of the cold current moves towards equator. You must have heard, though this analogy is not fully correct, but you can keep in mind for better understanding. Okay, and see, all of this currents makes a circular direction. Now how does they make a circular direction? This one is the Gulf Stream. Okay, it moves in a circular way. This one again, it becomes cold over here as East Greenland Labrador current meets to it, and again it becomes a cold current and it reaches over here. Again it moves from the equatorial region, it becomes warm, and then it becomes Gulf Stream. Okay, see, this one is a circular portion it has achieved, it is making. The next one is the North Pacific. देखो, अगर North Pacific यहाँ पे है तो it must be over here. यहाँ पे this one is the North Pacific. Okay, and again it's making a circular direction and it is moving in this way. So it must be going away. So it is coming from here. Okay, the next one is the equatorial counter current. ठीक है भाई, equatorial counter current. This one South Pacific, this one. Okay, again one more circular direction over here. See, let me make you understand. देखो, this one is the South Pacific. If this one is the South Pacific, it must be coming out over here. Okay, this you need to understand. मतलब this will make a circular direction. Now suppose I am making this one. See, Brazilian current is hot and again it's moving like this, and as it reaches over here it becomes cold, and again it transforms into Benguela current, and Benguela current again diverges into two sections. The one is the equatorial, south equatorial, ठीक है, and the other one again reaches over here, which again becomes Brazilian. ठीक है, I hope you are understanding. And the one which is going in this direction will slowly move here. Okay, and the other one will become Gulf Stream. Now the Indian monsoon, which is very important for us, for Indian people. Okay, देखो, this one is the West Australian, and the South Equatorial, the one which is coming from this side. The South Equatorial is coming from this way. ठीक है, South Equatorial is coming from this way, from downward part of India. More here, Chagos Archipelagos, the UK part, यहाँ पे आता है. ठीक है, यहाँ से ले लो, and again it reaches to Mozambique and Angola, and again it becomes South Indian stream. I think you haven't heard, but if you will see in map you will get all the words over here. Okay, South Indian and the South Equatorial. Okay, and this South Equatorial, a more counter current of India. North Equatorial is over here. See, I made a little bit up. It should be here. It should be here. So the North Equatorial is flowing over here, and it's going in this direction. Okay, North Equatorial is over here and it's making a counter current to South Equatorial, and South Equatorial is moving in downward direction towards Mozambique. Okay, and this is flowing in circular direction. Again I am telling you, South Equatorial is moving towards Mozambique is moving towards Australian, and again it's making a circular direction. And above South Equatorial there is an equatorial counter current which is moving in this direction, opposite direction to South Equatorial current, and above the equatorial counter current there is a North Equatorial. ठीक है, this North Equatorial is coming from this direction, North Equatorial. Okay, I hope you are understanding. No, this one is the North Pacific. So this one was the warm and cold ocean currents. If someone asks you what is ocean current, then you can explain. I may give you a gist over here. What is warm ocean current and what is cold ocean current? See, if you're writing over here ocean currents, define it. Okay, define it. Then surface current, deep water current. You're getting it? फिर major ocean currents, and there are few major ocean currents as Gulf Stream, North Atlantic Drift, California Current, Kuroshio, Oishio, Indian Ocean Gyre. At least this one should be on your tip of tongue. Okay, and factors influencing, you must be knowing. Factors influencing क्या क्या हो सकता है? Wind pattern, Earth's rotation, temperature, and salinity. See, these all things you need to understand. So this was a lecture video in which I made you understand how does this ocean current moves and what are warm and cold ocean current, and a small gist of it. Okay, hope you're understanding the lecture, and hope you like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.